Very good morning, my tiny tots. Hope you all are fit and fine. My dear students, take out your test copies, write on date, test, lesson number 3, the digestive and excretory system. First question, new words. Number 1, digestion. Number 2, excretion. Second question, fill-ups. Number 1, the dash connects a mouth to the stomach. Number 2, the liver secretes dash. Third question, give answers. First question, what happens to the food in the mouth? Second question, write 2 ways to keep your excretory system healthy. Fourth question, draw well-labeled diagram of digestive system. Okay, my dear students, now take out your books. Lesson number 9, light, underline. Let's warm up. Given below are pictures of some objects. Tick the ones that are sources of light. Book gives us light. No. Sun gives us light. Take. Moon. Listen students, moon does not have its own light. It shines with the light of the sunlight. Next, bulb. Take. Chain. No. Candle. It gives a light. Take. All have done students. Light helps to see the objects. Okay students, and you know light always travels in a straight line. Read on. We see many things around us in the classroom. We also see many things on our way to school. At night, it is completely dark. Will we be able to see things around us? If you enter a dark room at night, will you be able to see the things in the room? No. Okay, student, this clearly explains that light helps us to see objects. What is the function of the light? It helps to see the objects. When light falls on an object, the object reflects that light and the reflected light reaches our eyes and we see the object. Understood students? What is reflection? It is the bouncing back of the light after it strikes an object. Underline. What is reflection? It is the bouncing back of light after it strikes an object. Okay, my dear students. Now we'll do sources of light. Natural sources of light, man-made sources of light. Sources of light are 2 types. Natural sources of light. These are sources of light given to us by nature. Example, sun, stars. These are natural sources of light. Man-made sources of light. These are artificial sources of light that are made by man. Artificial sources of light that are made by man. For example, tube light, torch, electric bulb, candle, flame. Underline students. Natural sources of light, man-made sources of light. Effect. The moon has no light of its own. It shines because it reflects the sun's light. When sunlight falls on the moon, it shines with the light of the sun. Listen student, luminous and non-luminous objects. 2 types of objects. Luminous, non-luminous. Luminous objects give out their own light. Luminous objects give out their own light. They are a source of light. For example, sun, electric bulb, etc. Okay, so underline. Non-luminous objects do not have their own light. Objects which have their own light, we call it luminous. And objects which do not have their own light, these reflect light that falls on them. Example, moon, chair, tree. Underline. Blow your mind. Name a strong thing that gives out its own light. Write down jellyfish and glowworm. Jellyfish and glowworm. Properties of light. Light travels in a straight line. Underline. If you close the doors of a room and draw the curtains and allow sunlight to enter from a tiny point like a slit in the door, you will see a straight beam of sunlight entering the room. This property of light to travel in a straight line is called rectilinear propagation of light. Light always travels in a straight line and we call it rectilinear propagation of light. Underline. The path of light is represented by a straight line with an arrow head. Okay, my dear students, effect. Light travels with the speed of 3 lakh km per second. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see objects around us. It is the fastest traveling energy. Light is the fastest traveling energy. Light is made up of several different colors which combine to form the white light. Kinds of objects. First revise for 5 minutes. After we do kinds of objects. Objects can be grouped into 3 kinds depending on whether we can see through them and how much light can pass through them. There are 3 types of objects, students: opaque objects, translucent objects, transparent objects. Opaque objects. Underline, opaque objects are those objects which do not allow any light to pass through them. We cannot see through them at all. Example, rubber, brick wall, book, this one, paper. Okay, students, this book, it is the opaque objects. Underline translucent objects. Translucent objects are those objects that allow some light to pass through them. We can see parallelly through them. Example, butter paper, ground glass, honey, etc. Like this. See. Okay, students. Transparent objects. Transparent objects are those objects through which light can pass totally. We can see through them clearly. Example, water, air, glass, etc. Okay, see, students. These are transparent objects. What is shadow, students? First revise for 2 minutes. Opaque object, translucent and transparent. Shadow. A shadow is the darkness that an opaque object causes when it blocks the path of the light traveling on it. A shadow of an object is formed on another opaque surface which is called screen. Number 1. A shadow is formed only when light is blocked by an opaque object. A shadow is always black in color. What is the color of the shadow? It is always black in color. It does not show the color of the object. A shadow only gives the shape of the object and does not give any details of the object. The size of the shadow is relative to that position of the light source with respect to the object. Okay, my dear students, you can create shadows of animals with your hands. Try making animal shadow using your hands as shown you below. Revise for 5 minutes, students. A shadow is a darkness that an opaque object causes when it blocks the path of the light falling on it. What is shadow? A darkness that an opaque object causes when it blocks the path of the light. Revise for 5 minutes, students. Next time I'll take journal test. Okay. Revise it properly. My dear students, I hope my little ones have followed quickly what I taught you. My dear students, please don't go outside. You all are so good. You will obey your parents. Stay home, stay healthy and stay happy. Thank you, student. Thank you, student. Thank you, student.